Okurigirira hari company eyahibwe empatane yo kukora emirimo eyo kutimba amajuta omu byina bya Kingfisher Oil Development Field eya China National Offshore Oil Corporation. Uganda ekyoma ekirikwejunisibwa okunyorra amajuta okuzumu ekirikwetwa drilling oil rig kikahika mu Uganda aha 27 by'okwezi kwa mwenda omwaka ogu.
So it's a matter of establishing what level of experience would be most appropriate for a particular profession. It's true when it comes to the more years of experience, then you find that the country has less and less and less of those engineers.
Company ya Sokol Limited niyo yatungira empatane yo kushumikaniza kandi gumize ngo norutambwe ruhango oruyihanga rutire kwiha amajuta okuzumu.
The activities are increasing in the oil and gas sector, and so some of these goods and services in the country are beginning to get stressed. Our discussion this morning pointed at the aspect that things like steel, as the projects increase, look like they could become in short supply.
Rubondo yashoborra ngo hati hariho ekizibu ekibura ry'abantu abarikumanya okushuminkaza ebyoma ebi yakihamya ngu gavumenti etiireho emiringo yoona okureba ngu eminyeto batendekwa emyoga egi kibabaasa okutunga abakozi abarikwetengwa.
Found most interesting is that the drilling rig which is going to be used to drill the wells on the Kingfisher oil field has now fully arrived in the country and has actually arrived at the oil field. So this morning we were able to see all the packages of the drilling rig called LR8001 shipped all the way from China. The company is now working with Cosil, the subcontractor, to set up this rig in preparation for it to commence drilling before the end of the year.
Uganda kwera atandika kunyorra amajuta mu itaka buri izoba neza kuba nesindika dramwe emitwarena z'amajuta agatagejine okurabira mu nsheke ezirukozo mu rutanga omu ihanga rya Tanzania okujejenwa gabone kuza aha katare kensi yona sente zirukwingana biliyoni 3 za dola omu sente za America nizo zirukoza kuhwera company ya Kingfisher Oil Development Field okora omurimo ogu. Amakuru agasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ahabwa Agacencwire.